Blue Square in-floor cleaning is basically sweeping the bottom of the pool for you. Similar to a reticulated sprinkler system, what we have is a series of jets running down the length of the pool. So it will operate normally 3 jets at a time, pop up, push the debris down towards the deep end, eventually it will all get sucked into the drain and picked up by your filter. In-floor pool cleaning is fully automated. You never have to remember to do it. You don't have to switch it on, you don't have to switch it off. All the labour is taken out of it for you. Effectively, we're automatically vacuuming your swimming pool every day for 4 hours. Every single day that all that hard work is being done for you. You will never have an ugly swimming pool in your backyard. In-floor cleaning has to be installed at the time of construction. It's not something that can be retrofitted afterwards. You can imagine what it'd be like to actually jackhammer out the concrete side of your pool to put the nozzles and tubing in afterwards. Absolutely impossible. So it's got a decision you have to make at the time of purchasing your swimming pool. Products like Blue Square in-floor pool cleaning in this time-poor society are a fantastic way to make maintenance of your swimming pool incredibly simple. It's taking all the back-breaking labour out of it and you will have a pristine looking swimming pool every day. With in-floor pool cleaning, it's always nice to know on a Sunday morning you can get up and the pool's already been cleaned for you.